Hey everybody, Ryan here with CRKT, and I'm excited to introduce our new Q, designed by Richard Rogers. This is featuring MagnaCut blade steel with a titanium handle and a micarta inlay. It also has a full-length fuller running all the way almost through the tip of the blade. You can also see it here on the back side. It does have a flipper tab for opening, and it is rolling on IKBS ball bearings, so it is super smooth for deployment. It also has this unique feature with the backspacer. It looks like it's floating, which is a nice touch. Richard has this on a lot of his customs here. It has a simple, sturdy pocket clip on the back. What I really appreciate about the Q is this micarta inlay. Gives it nice texturing, also gives it some character. It's a little bit more grippy than our carbon fiber version that we have of this, and it gives it a nice aesthetic as well. You can see that it has micarta on the back side as well, and this is what I really appreciate about this model. So if you're in the market for a classy, Italian-made everyday carry, go check out the Q on crkt.com, designed by Richard Rogers, made by CRKT.